you guys doing here? Today I'm doing a reaction on Ashley's channel, most likely. Which I haven't really reacted to a video like a day or two, so it's about time. Since we haven't seen Ashley's channel like a while, so it's about time I could, react to it. So there we go. Okay, there we go. Crazy Mcjuggernuggets fan. Crazy Mcjuggernuggets fans destroy pool or dishonor pool, whatever. But you know what I mean. You know what I'm saying. Now let's start.
Hey guys, me again. Happy Memorial Day weekend. Well, technically, this will probably come out after Memorial Day weekend, but whatever. So I am so excited. You guys have no idea. So let me explain. After talking with the house for a bit, and what I mean by talking to the house, I mean talking to the people that have been living at the Jersey house, me, Jazz, like occasionally Nick, I don't know what's going on there. Tippy, Miguel, and then there's just like people in and out. Sometimes Swift. We have all agreed that something is missing from this house. The guys have built the movie theater in the basement already. Check, already got that. Currently, we are still
those two guys
working
in the basement.
on the bedrooms in the basement. We are still painting and getting all those things done. Some more bedrooms, check. But we have agreed that there's something still missing. There's something still that we all want to enjoy. We all enjoy the theater and everything, but something is missing. So it finally came to me when it was the first nice day of the season, and that was like a few days ago. And I'm like, you know what? This house is missing a pool. And weirdly enough, I checked my emails, and I had an email from Pan Max. Now, Pan Max is a pool company. They make pools. They have like paddle boards and stuff like that. So they reached out to me and was like, hey, are you looking for a pool? We got pools. And I'm like, yeah, I need a pool. Google, if you're listening, I also need $1 million. So yes, this company reached out and was like, you want a pool? And I was like, yes, I need a pool. They sent me a pool. I'm so excited. I probably shouldn't be talking this loud because I want this to be a surprise to everyone in the house. I hope nobody heard me. So if you guys are interested in this pool, I'm going to put the links in the description to get your own. And this company was nice enough to give me a 30% off discount code to give you guys. So everyone's a winner here. Everyone gets a pool. Yeah, like in this moment, I feel like Oprah. It's like, you get a pool. You get a pool. So enough rambling and talking. Let's blow it up. Jenny's in the smallest little ball on the bed because it's cold. Okay, so mistake one has already been made. It is currently the next day because I opened up the box of the pool. Here's the pool. Actually a lot bigger than I thought. And I realized that I did not have a pump. So I had to make a Walmart run to get a mattress air pump thing or whatever to pump it up. But it's okay because today is a lot sunnier and warmer than it was yesterday. Now I'm gonna pump it up. Okay. Alright, I can work with that. It's pretty big.
How's everybody gonna fit in that pool? That's a small pool.
Dang.
It looks nice, right?
It's all full?
It looks good.
Nice.
Yeah, here, can you take those?
Yeah, jeez. I thought it was gonna be bigger than that.
That's what I'm saying.
I think it's a good starter.
A good start, yeah. Yeah. I'll hype everyone up. Be like, yo, this is the greatest thing. I know, it's kind of not what I had in mind, but yo, people, Rigid House, guests, what's up? Guess what? We got a pool. Oh yeah, you guys didn't see out there? Yeah. Look, it's nothing crazy, but shoestring budget. Just remember that, all right? Actually put this together. So give me some boyfriend points and just say how much you love it. Yeah. We gotta. Everyone gotta get your swim trunks on. Are you swimming in that? Look, it's a pool, guys. What do you mean? Let's make the most of this crap. We gotta get his swim trunks on. Nick, we going boxers up?
Is that Corvair?
Yo, is that those shallow boys?
Oh, there's two fans over there.
Get just tell him to get out of there. Yo! Hey! Yo! Oh my
Oh.
God! What the?
Bruh, what the hell was that for?
What the is wrong with you guys? Holy crap!
This is like straw out of his pool.
What is wrong with you two?
You just ruined it!
Bro, she just hooked that up for the house.
Well, it's just made that cool pool and destroyed it.
My pool that you just ran through! Where the f
Did this pool even come from?
Are you gonna say anything? They just ruined my freaking
Yo,
pool!
I don't know. You just handed me the camera. Hey, could you stop filming this? This ain't some clickbait.
No, keep it filming. Keep filming.
Bro, so you steal my boy's truck and you literally... My girlfriend worked hard on this.
Yeah, that's right, I did. Are you gonna do something about it?
Yo, you guys owe me. You guys owe me, seriously.
We're going to PA.
No, you're not.
Yeah, we
Hey,
are.
can you get your keys? Can you get your keys?
We're going to PA. I'm not paying for shit.
Yo, stop arguing with her like that, man.
I'll talk to whoever the
him!
What? I don't...
You're gonna let him talk to me like that? You just ruined my pool!
Yo, I don't know
Hey,
why
everyone film me. I'm the spotlight.
Yay. Yo, hey. You owe her a new pool. You owe us a nice pool. You're not going anywhere, man.
No,
Babe, I'm sorry. I didn't know what they're... How'd they get your
Too
truck,
bad for
dude?
Ashley, man.
What?
Too bad
Josh,
for
all
the
your
pool.
PA, bro.
Serious.
We're gonna go to PA.
Ash, I'm gonna have him pay for it. Yo,
Oh, damn. Tag team.
kick him. All right, hey,
Freaking
no,
tag
we
team
gotta
him.
talk for real. You guys got
For views.
what?
I don't fake my for views. I ran through your pool for real.
You're sick, man. You're sick. That's what makes it. That's what's the most
I like
disgusting
freaking
part.
bully over here. Well, this was kind of interesting, by the way. Oh, this is a crazy plot twist, I guess. I never expect, but yeah, it's pretty cool seeing Ashley videos. Pretty cool. I haven't seen Ashley videos like a day or two, so it's pretty cool. But it's pretty cool seeing her have her pool, which then again, well, Justin never got a pool for his own house, so I guess it could make sense. But I just kind of thought that pool could be, I don't know, like bigger. I don't know, like bigger from Jesse's parents' house. I don't know, like a big pool party most likely, but yeah, you know. But apparently, those two fans apparently destroyed it by running over it and ripped pool, I guess. Ripped Ashley's pool, I guess. R.I.P. Ripped, I guess. Kind of sucks. And seeing everybody try like tag team on those fans, I guess, maybe. Makes sense. You know, those guys are freaking bullies. Like straight like bullying, like teasing and bullying Ashley most likely. Like seriously, that's kind of taking it too far, man. Like for real. Like Ashley's making the cool pool, and those guys like destroyed it. Like, so it wasn't right for getting jumped anyway. So yeah. Now she's pissed. So Judge could kick them out anyway in the first place. He could at least just kick them out in his own house. That way, no problems. Apparently that's stay, which I don't know why Jessica kicked him out in the first place. Even from the last video, like the last video, he said that he's supposed to kick them out, which he didn't. He supposed to kick them out eventually, so there's no problem. But he did. Now he's pissed right now, and now the pool is destroyed, and yeah, sucks. But yeah. This video is kind of short, but then again, it's kind of, in between, like the plot of the video, kind of make a little sense most likely, because Ashley won the pool. Yeah. But those two fans destroyed it, so just run over with the car and destroyed it. Oh, I guess that was it. I don't know. Most like this main thing I actually mostly wanted to pull, and those guys destroyed it. So it sucks. So yeah, that was Ashley's channels lately. Which I haven't like react to it like a day or two, like a period or two. So it's pretty cool seeing Ashley's channel. He's actually most like uploading videos sometimes. It's pretty cool. But it's a pull, so but I don't blame Ashley for this. Like if I was Ashley, I would probably get pissed too. I'll probably get pissed if someone destroyed my pool, which I don't have a pool. You know, if it did, then someone destroyed it, I'll probably get pissed and probably fight them off. Seriously. Okay, that's it. So yeah. So bye guys. To be honest, are you guys any more like reaction requests or any kind of reaction, whatever you want to react to? Subscribe more reactions. I'll see you guys later. So yeah.